Instead of thinking about AI as a separate tool or a separate feature, we need to start thinking about how it's going to be fundamentally embedded underneath our entire tool set, everything we use to do our job, and how it's going to change the way we interact with those tools. So a great example right now is Microsoft Copilot, which is in beta right now, coming quickly. They just announced pricing on it. And if you're curious, it basically doubles the cost of Microsoft 365 in terms of licensing costs, which is how much value add they believe that Copilot's going to create. So what is Copilot? Again, go to Microsoft's website, check it out. It basically embeds AI capability within all of your Microsoft applications. So it helps you write an email. It helps you take content from a Word document and use that to generate a PowerPoint presentation. It looks at your Excel spreadsheet, allows you to ask questions about why data is trending a particular direction, generate graphs or generate new tables. So it basically becomes this embedded assistant capability within the tools that you're using every day.